Only a couple 100 pounds of water that we got to dump out of this.
1, 2, 3.
All right, we got the water out of the boat. Time to go catch some catfish. Golden. That looks delicious. So we're out on the boat. We're just gonna start making some casts. You still let it sit on the bottom, right?
Yeah, it'll go down.
And then all of a sudden it'll just like rip the rod out of my hand.
Hopefully.
Hopefully that's the plan. All right, let's see if I'm a good cat fisherman. I've never done this before.
Oh my God, these fish on. I have a fish on.
Oh, you got a fish?
Yep.
Skylar's got the first one. Oh gosh. He's using finesse gear too. This is just kind of like a finesse challenge for all of us.
Grab it. I should be.
Oh gosh.
That's about
How big is it?
8.
8? Oh, dude, that's big. That's giant. Oh my gosh. You kidding me?
Oh, it's one of those with the freaking. He's got that jaw.
Oh, dude, that's a freaking toad.
Yeah, that might.
That's a toad. I got a scale right there for you to toss her on there. Dude, that's a big one.
I didn't even know he just grabbed it and swam.
He's just sitting there, huh?
They're just.
That's an ugliest looking fish I think I've ever seen.
There's some ugly ones and there's some really cool ones. That one looks like he's been thrown through the trash can a few times.
Dude, that is the most ugly looking fish. What is this? It's a fish. It's a fish. What is it?
It's oh!
Oh my gosh! It's a bluegill. You what? What? That's my first fish attempting to catfish.
He caught bait.
Bluegill. All right. See you later, guy. It's not big. Is that a bass? It's a bass.
Oh my.
Hey guys, we're gonna do a catfishing episode.
That's like
2 bluegills and a bass later.
I've never caught a bass in a river out here. That is unreal.
Chicken livered bass. Nice. Well, so much for a catfishing episode. That's nice largemouth, wrong species though. All right, see if I can make a miracle cast here. If I get one, I'm 100% screwed, but try it. Right there, dude, right there. Oh! Dude, I didn't reel at all. This is how much line I had out. Right at the bank. He was hiding under that cover. The sun, these fish probably are hiding under there, I would assume. That was crazy. I don't know if I've ever, that's probably 8 feet of line I had out. I caught a frogfish with 8 feet of line. Set the hook, brought him on shore without even reeling. All right, Christopher, see you later, buddy. Oh, the old topwater's working. Oh, right there. Oh, dude, I had like there's one. Oh, topwater fish. Woo. That's a good one. That dude crushed it.
Yeah.
Like, absolutely inhaled that thing. Throwing a pretty good sized frog too. Right next to that pole. I wonder if they're holding on some structure. That's not a bad guy. That's super skinny fish though. Not a big one. See Luis. It's on the old little froggy hoggy dog. There's one. There we go, finally. I knew I'd get one right there. Right up against them trees. Holding tight to cover. Come here, little guy. Holy crap. The squeakiest squeaker of all. See you later, Felipe. Woo! Okay, that's good. I'm standing in 2 feet of water here, catching bass. I'm gonna make a move. I'm gonna go find some more moss. I think this stuff, this little, I don't know, duckweed or something like that. I think that's what the fish are gonna be hiding under. So there's some more back there, so I'm gonna kind of walk around, see if I can find some more. Yeah, it seems like a lot of fun trying to get down here. Alright, I've made it decently far. That was way too much work. Okay, let's see if I can find some vegetation to throw this frog in. There's one. Get out of the tree, get out of the tree. Woo! Right past the tree. Come on, buddy, that was a really far cast. He's in that brush pile. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Whew. Squeaker. Got another dinker. Here you go. See you later, buddy. There's one. That's a better one. That's much better. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Get out of there. Hey, he's not really. He's about the same size. I thought he was bigger. He had a little bit bigger attitude. That is 2 for 2 right there. See you, Jonas. I'm just casting in this brush. There's like obviously some trees and some fallen down trees right there. I'm thinking they're probably in there waiting. I mean, I could definitely throw a chatterbait or Senko in there, but I wanted to make it a challenge. Try to throw a topwater, which evidently not much of a challenge.